What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Klarna to Shopify. So first, you need to head over to your Shopify's website and then you need to log in with your Shopify account. After that, on the left side, you need to click on settings. After clicking on settings, the new settings page will open. From here, you need to click on payments. After clicking on payments here, the payment window will open. From here, under the additional payment methods, click on add payment method. After clicking on add payment method, click on the search bar and then search for Klarna. After searching for Klarna, here you will see the option of Klarna. Click on that, and then you have this multiple checkout options, which the first one is ping pong checkout, second one is checkout.com, and the third one is advanced credit debit card. Let's say I'm choosing the ping pong checkout. I'll click on it once, and then here I'll see an option to install this. Simply click on this install button to install this checkout, and then in the new tab, it will start installing. And after that, here it will reconfirm it, and then it will re-ask you to install it confirmly. Just simply click on install button again to confirm your installation of this ping pong checkout. After installing, you just need to link your checkout to your Shopify. To link that, you need to enter your email, username, and your password. Or you have another option to just simply sign up for free. And after signing up or logging in, your ping pong checkout will be connected to your Shopify. I can't currently show you due to some network issues of my connection, but when you will log in or sign up, you will connect it and you will be able to run ping pong checkout in Shopify. And the another way to connect your Klarna to your Shopify is by changing your billing address. So just head over to the settings again, and then in the general settings, you will see the pencil icon here. When you hover to the billing address, click on that, and then you need to select a country or a region. Make sure that you select a different one of what you have chosen. After choosing the different region, you just simply need to enter your legal business name, your address, your apartment, your city, and your province. After selecting your province here, you just simply need to enter your postal code, and when you have entered all the details, simply click on the save button to save all the details. After entering your billing address here, when you hover to the payment sections again, and then when you search for Klarna again, if Klarna individually is available in your region, it will appear. So you can just directly install the Klarna directly to your Shopify. So this is how you can integrate your Klarna to your Shopify. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.